Hey, what's up? I just got a package and we're gonna see what's inside. All right, let's open up the package. I notice I'm usually wearing this cardigan if I'm taking a video. So that was a lot harder than I expected, but we have the package open. Let's see what's inside. Okay. If you don't know, recently changed my phone, upgraded my phone, and for about a month now, I have not been using a phone case. And I finally went out and chose to put a case on my phone. I've been very careful with my phone, so I haven't, damaged it or anything. But here we go. And I didn't want just any old regular random case. I got myself this here, the game phone case, classic nostalgic game phone case shell, to remind me of the good days of the Game Boy Color SP that I used to have. No, not SP, regular Game Boy Color, and of course in red. I haven't had a red case in a while, a long while. So if we come up to the package right here and we slide that open, you see it's really nice. Oh wow, it immediately feels like plastic because I mean it very much is. But here is rubbery on the side. Oh man, this is for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as you can see. And it comes with its cable. This is a USB micro to USB 3. And that's it in the box. I think it has some power on it already, so I'm going to try to turn it on. It's a super nice build, man. Like, we have the speaker gate over here, which we're going to test out in a little bit. We have the classic A/B buttons. We have start, pause, and sound. Okay, that's interesting. We have our D-pad, our on, off, and reset, and the classic Game Boy Color look. Oh my god. You know, when I had a Game Boy Color when I was younger, I had the yellow one with Pokemon Yellow as its first game. And this, I really wish I had the red one. And now I can feel it now that I'm an adult. So yeah, let's turn it on. Or should we remove the screen first? Let's remove this first. Oh, I got so scared that I ripped it, but it just comes off like this. Ooh, that's clean. This is really clean. This is a full-on screen as a phone case. All right, let's turn it on. Oh, oh my god! Do you hear that? That is nice. Let's go English. Yo! Why does it sound like a camera shutter? Look at all these different games. So the one I have, it says it has 36 games on there. It's probably another page. Oh my god, there's Mario! Oh my god! I have Mario on this? I didn't check the list. I was just like, let me get a case, and I want it to be a cool case. I didn't check the list of 36 games. What else are these? Some of these games are too old for me though. Like, I don't know a lot of these. But let me see some Mario. B. Oh my gosh. Yo, I wish I could show this on my phone. Oh, interesting. It's lit back here. You can see the connector that's lighting up the screen. All right. Let's see how well this plays. Wait, what's happening? Oh, this is the start, right? This is like the... This is the loading screen, right? Yeah, no. Yeah, this is the loading screen. Yeah, okay. I was about to say, if I paid just to get a video... Okay, start. Huh? I'm not pressing the right button. Oh my god. I remember this though. I remember this version of this game. Yo, I'm actually playing. Look. I remember this. No, you know, this isn't a Game Boy Color game though. This is a Atari game. I remember playing this on the Atari. Oh my god. Oh wait. I'm looking. Oh, I can't jump on them. I'm looking through the camera, so let me look at the Okay, just excuse those deaths. I'm gonna look straight at the game now. I remember playing this with my cousin. Shout out to my cousin. He had an Atari. Oh, I don't think I'm supposed to. Wait. What am I supposed to do? I don't remember. Off, low, medium, high. Okay. Off, low, medium, high. I know there's a way to do this. Oh, I have to hit them from under. I remember. And then I go up to knock them down. Come on. I can't jump and move at the same time. No! Okay. I got this. Yo, I really can't. Oh, I can. Yes. I remember how to do this now. Uh-oh, I flipped him over. Bro, this is gonna be an amazing pastime. What was that? Alright, let's try a different game. How do I go home? Reset. Oh my gosh. I don't remember. I don't know all of these games. I know pinball. If you want me to try a specific game, leave it in the comments below. Okay, start. Oh my god! Yo, I'm so old. Yo, pinball with the double screen because it couldn't do the animation. I'm not even that old. Like I'm just a quarter of 100, guys. Where's the other? Oh, okay. Now this is definitely a time what's it called? A time waster. Like imagine you're on the train, you're in an Uber, take out your phone, put the volume on silent, and you're just playing your game with your phone on the other side. I gotta put my phone in this. But then how am I gonna record? This is so cool. Ah! Okay, let me turn the volume back on. I'm pretty good at pinball. Come on now, don't play with me. I can tell you where to go. I got the reflexes. I know the strats. Come here. This is how you know how old I am, where I can control where it's going. And you know, it has a pretty good frame rate. I don't know the exact specs, but this feels like actually like either 30 frames per second or like 24. Like I could probably watch a show on this. But it probably doesn't have the bit rate, the bit depth to give me a good performance. I kind of want to lose already. Psych! Oh, wait, actually, Okay, so you get different ball lives. Cool. This is so cool. I don't know where the battery life is at. 5 chess. Is there checkers? I mean, not check. Yeah, is there checkers? Donkey Kong. Super Mario Brothers. No! No way! No way, there's Super Mario Brothers also? No way! I thought it was just the regular Mario Bros. Oh my god! This is crazy! Bro, this is way worth the money. If I have an affiliate link, please click it below and get this. The quality is nice and it'll probably fit your phone too. Oh my god, I'm really playing Mario. Alright, and then power off. I don't know if it will save your gameplay, but that's honestly fine by me because I'm alright with just restarting with it and just having like a chill gaming session. And so my phone would go in like this. And then when I'm ready to game, turn it around and get started. That's amazing. I'm gonna probably have some photos at the end of the video, or probably now, that shows my phone in the case. And yeah, please check this out. And I don't even know what to say. That this is like, wow. Like, I was not expecting this high of quality. I just wanted a case that was kind of cool.